Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's Friday, September 14th, and I'm eyeballing these two Black Madeira figs on the Black Madeira tree here, of course, that I brought inside. And a while ago I had put some tanglefoot around the base there because there are ants going up the tree, and I don't see any ants. Had sort of a crime committed. There were a bunch of figs that needed to be buried. We had rain on Monday, really poured out I think Monday night, and then Tuesday, Wednesday overcast, cooler temperatures, and the fruit flies are out en masse. So I don't want to just throw them on the compost pile. So I dug a hole, put them in, had a bunch of split figs. But these figs here seem to be doing great, and there's no sign of any fruit flies in here, even though I have some Shea blacks that are split open. It's really hot in here. We've had cooler temperatures, but the sun came out today, and I've got that additional fan that has a thermostat on it, and it kicked on. I was going to say kicked in, but let's take a look. It's just hanging here. And I've got the fig honey. Oh, just came right off. Really thin skinned. This other one here has, there's nothing above it. It has fig honey on the side somehow. So take this off. Let's take a look. And a little side note here, I noticed this Cinderella fig swelling up here on the air layer that I removed, and you can see there. Got the air layer, the Black Madeira air layer. They don't even show any indication of being removed from the mother tree. Back to the Black Madeiras. Notice that the sun seems to be riding a little bit lower in the sky. Let's take a look. All right. Whoa. This one's been on there a while. Got the syrup in that. Very soft. Maybe we should bring that out into the sun. Is there any sun on the property? Yes, I've got this neighbor's tree here, pretty much shades the whole property now this time of day. But let's take a closer look at these Black Madeira figs. Right, let's take a look. Give it a taste. Wow. The syrup is starting to get thicky, a little thicker. Thicky, I don't think that's a word. It has a raw flavor to it, though. I think that it's starting to degrade the sun getting lower and not as intense. It's not necessarily the heat. It's definitely the sun that's going to produce the sugars in this. But yeah, that was good. So this is New England Gardening with some September figs, mid-September, Black Madeira. Thanks for watching.